Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about taking an STL file from the internet and importing it into Fusion 360. Let's say that you want an object that someone else modeled, or you see something cute on Thingiverse. You can download it, modify it, or print it out yourself. But the problem is that every object on Thingiverse or similar sites is in STL format. Basically, that takes out all the parametric values that are useful for Fusion to have in order to allow you to design, manipulate, and convert it all into mesh. So all you get is polygons, vertices, and faces. Something that's very tedious to work with, difficult at best, but really useful for the slicer. Let's see how we can edit such a thing. First, I'm gonna go and open Thingiverse. Of course, you can take your model from anywhere you like. I just found what I was interested in here. I'm gonna grab this model. It is a keychain. Select download. Also select where I want it downloaded and save. But before we move on, I want you to know a couple of things. If, let's say, you are a Potterhead like I am, the chances are you will want to download and print anything related to the movies. And you are free to do so for yourself. But one important aspect is that almost every model on Thingiverse is posted under a Creative Commons non-commercial license, as you can see here and here, which allows for downloading and printing, but not commercial gain. That's why I encourage you to download, modify, and print whatever you want, but sell it only if it's truly yours. Going back, we need to import the mesh into Fusion before we can do anything with it. One more thing I need to add here. The models are downloaded as an archive. To access the files that you need, you'll have to extract them from that archive. I already unzipped mine. I'll first right-click here and tell it not to capture design history in order to be able to work with my object. Next, we go to the Insert menu and select Insert Mesh. Okay, I'm selecting my STL and click Open. First, it allows you to identify the placement. I won't move it and click OK. Now I have this mesh, but I can't do anything with it because if I select any surface on it, the entire object is selected. So to be able to do anything with it, you have a couple of options. You can either right-click in this tree here on your object and tell it to convert from mesh to B-rep, which is the boundary representation, or you can right-click on the object itself and then select mesh to B-rep. After that, the object is already selected. We click OK, and after a while, we have a solid body that has each of the polygons selectable. The problem is, since it's made entirely out of polys, that this single face, for example, like you can see, let's say here, consists of multiple different polygons now, which makes it difficult to, let's say, extrude or do similar things. I'll explain in another video how to reduce the number of faces and polygons before converting it. Be sure to check the next video in order to see how we can edit this one and modify it.